How to repeat YouTube videos automatically. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So unfortunately, there's no direct option to repeat your YouTube videos, but there is a way to do this. So go ahead and open YouTube. Open the video that you want to repeat. So you'll see this save icon, click on save, and under save video to, click on new playlist. So you can set the title to anything, and you can set the privacy to whatever you want. If it's on private, only you'll be able to see this playlist. Once you've typed in a name, go ahead and click on Create. Click on See List, and you'll see the playlist that you have just created. Tap on the video of this playlist, and you'll see this 2-arrow icon. Click on that, and as there is only one video in this playlist, this video will repeat once it has ended. To access your playlist, you can also click on Library, and under Library, you'll see your playlist. Click on View All, and then select the playlist that you have just created. So this is how to repeat YouTube videos automatically. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.